Hi guys, my name is Steve Lam. I'm going to show you guys how to do a ghetto way to shuck a hard drive, an external hard drive. So the one I have here is the 10 terabyte backup plus hub. I tried my best to shuck the hard drive without ruining the case too much, but unfortunately it didn't go out too well. I also purposely bought the 10 terabyte hard drive because Seagate only uses 7,200 RPM for these type of hard drives because they don't have like a 5,400 RPM for any 10 terabyte model. So this way you get like a faster speed external drive rather than if you tried like anything below 10 terabytes. If you tried like the 8 terabytes, they would give you like a 5,400 RPM internal hard drive, which is not so great. So this is more bang for the buck to just full out buy anything higher than 10 terabytes. So first, what I'm trying to do here is that I'm gonna try to insert one card inside just to have that the casing kind of opened up, and then the main objective is trying to pry open one of the latches inside the case. Kind of failed at doing it. I was just giving it a go here. We're just trying to open up that latch, and once that latch is open, we're gonna just slowly move over to each side and open up each latch. When you get that first latching off, that's when everything starts to be a little bit easier. Yeah, as you can see, like once one of the latches fall off, like it's just a lot easier because all you have to do is kind of like push a little bit forward and then remove the latch out of its place on each side, and we just kind of go throughout round and round throughout each side there. Yeah, so now we got the case kind of open and we're able to kind of take out that internal hard drive inside. You can just kind of lift it out. Yeah, so over here I'm gonna slow it down. You can see just how many latches I broke, which is not too fun, but it is what it is. So once you take the hard drive out, you can see that it's a 10 terabyte Ironwolf NAS Pro drive here, which is 7,200 RPM. Really nice drive. Yeah, so I'm also gonna remove it from its like that USB, the connector device here. You can also reuse this stuff like for any other hard drive if you like. You can use it by connecting an internal hard drive to this device to your computer by USB. So it'll act like kind of an external hard drive, which is pretty cool. So yeah, there you have it. You have an internal drive now that you can just put inside your computer. Yeah, so one last thing I want to show you guys is the speed of this hard drive. You can see through this image here, which is connected by a SATA cable to the motherboard. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day.